Alright, so I am just testing out this T778 NAD AVR, and I am I'm pretty surprised so far. I mean, just the screen, of course, everything looks nice and clean. I'm surprised how useful that thing actually is. But I just ran Dirac, and I didn't do a really good job of that. I just kind of ran it to see what it was gonna do. But already my speakers sound so much more cohesive. It's amazing. Like, I've never heard my system sound like this. I've had Dirac stuff for a very long time, but hopefully you can kind of hear some of this. You see, there's the bass integrates so well. So the subs that I have here, everything is so well integrated. It sounds just like one big speaker instead of a bunch of separate speakers. So let me check out this one. Check out this car. This one. See if you can hear some of the height stuff that's going on here. Oh, air conditioning coming on. That's not good. You hear that part where they're crawling? So anyway, that's it for right now. It's kind of hard to tell with the AC on, but hopefully it gives you an idea what I'm experiencing. So keep in mind, I only have two height speakers, so it might be going in a circle and I wouldn't be able to tell just because I don't have enough speakers up there. The NAD T778 with Dirac, the full version, from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, even above that actually. And I'm using a whole mix of different speakers, and so that's kind of on purpose. So I have the Larsen 4s up here as left and right. I have the ELAC Unify 2.0 center channel. I have the SB 3000 sub, and then I have a Monolith 10 ported, and then behind me I have some Pioneer SPB-S22 LRs, and above me I am using some Mica Covo S's. So all different speakers, and yet the system has been able to make it sound very cohesive, as if it's one single unit. So I'm impressed.